Thinking about a kitchen makeover? Hold on, because 2025 is bringing some of the most stunning color trends we've ever seen. From warm and earthy hues to nature-inspired greens and bold, personality-packed accents, this year's kitchen designs are all about creating a space that feels inviting, modern, and completely you. But what's in and what's out? And how can you incorporate these new trends without a complete renovation? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the hottest 2025 kitchen color trends, how they're shaping modern interiors, and tips to bring these gorgeous palettes into your home effortlessly. And make sure you watch till the end, because we'll also reveal one color mistake that could make your kitchen feel outdated faster than you think. Ready? Let's dive in. The kitchen isn't just a place to cook anymore, it's the heart of the home. And in 2025, color trends are shifting in a big way, redefining how we experience this space. So, what's in and what's out? This year, we're seeing a strong shift towards warm, earthy tones, nature-inspired palettes, and bold accent colors that add personality and depth. The biggest drivers behind these changes? A growing desire for comfort, sustainability, and a connection to nature. As more homeowners move away from cold, all-white kitchens, they're embracing rich, inviting hues that make the kitchen feel like a welcoming retreat. From the influence of natural materials to the impact of social trends and technology, 2025's color evolution is all about making the kitchen both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Say goodbye to sterile, ultra-minimalist kitchens, and hello to warmth and coziness. One of the biggest trends in 2025 is the rise of earthy hues like terracotta, burnt orange, and olive green. These colors create a sense of grounding and serenity, making the kitchen a space where you actually enjoy spending time. Terracotta adds a rustic charm, burnt orange brings warmth and energy, and olive green connects the space to nature, making it feel peaceful and balanced. The best part? These shades work beautifully with natural materials like wood, stone, and brass accents, helping to create a harmonious, lived-in aesthetic. Whether it's through cabinetry, walls, or small decor touches, earthy tones are here to stay, making the kitchen feel like a true oasis. With sustainability becoming a bigger priority, natural and organic color palettes are taking center stage. Kitchens in 2025 are leaning into wooden textures, muted greens, and stone-inspired neutrals to bring a sense of tranquility and nature into the home. These earthy, understated hues help create a space that feels both calming and timeless. Muted greens, in particular, are a major player this year, with shades like sage, eucalyptus, and moss, bringing a refreshing, airy feel to the kitchen. Combined with natural materials like marble countertops, reclaimed wood cabinetry, and clay-toned backsplashes, these palettes make the kitchen feel more organic and grounded. Another reason these colors are gaining popularity? They align with eco-conscious living. Choosing sustainable low VOC paints and natural materials contributes to a healthier, greener home. If you're not ready to commit to a full kitchen makeover, here's some good news. Bold accent colors are making a huge comeback. 2025 is all about expressing personality through statement pieces, contrasting color combinations, and eye-catching accents. Picture this: deep navy blue cabinets against crisp white countertops, or a vibrant emerald green island that becomes the focal point of the space. Even backsplashes and hardware are getting a colorful refresh with jewel tones, burnished golds, and even playful pastels making an appearance. Metallic finishes, especially in copper and brass, are another way homeowners are adding warmth and a touch of luxury. A simple way to embrace this trend? Start small with colorful bar stools, pendant lights, or decorative kitchenware. Bold accents can completely transform the feel of your kitchen without a complete renovation. What's next after 2025? While warm, organic tones are dominating now, future kitchen trends may take an even bolder turn. Experts predict we'll see the rise of high-tech finishes, color-changing smart surfaces, and even more sustainable, eco-conscious color choices. As AI-driven home design continues to evolve, kitchens may become more adaptable, with smart lighting that adjusts colors based on mood and time of day. In addition, futuristic metallics and hybrid color palettes, like blended neutrals with soft, iridescent undertones, could become the next big trend. While timeless colors will always have their place, expect to see a wave of experimental, futuristic designs driven by technological advancements and shifting lifestyles. If you're planning a kitchen upgrade in 2025, these color trends are the perfect place to start. Whether you're drawn to warm, earthy tones, nature-inspired hues, or bold accents, there's a trend for every style. Which kitchen color trend are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on the latest home design trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.